Way to go, Bartholomew.
Good job, stupid.
Dang.
Welcome on our shelf. Let's see what Bartholomew has for us today. Oh wow, 2 iPhones. Okay. Okay, so what I have here is 2 white iPhone 5s. Let's see, which one should I open first? The white one or the black one? I'm gonna let you choose. White, black, any, mini, miny, mo. We're gonna go ahead and start with the black one first. All right, I have my knife. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the plastic right off of it. Now this one has a dent in the corner of the box, so it's a little bit harder for me to just kind of shake it off smoothly like I would like to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this part. It took me a while to get it out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take the top off of it. Now here's the black iPhone itself. Now first we're gonna start with the manuals. Now this part may be a little bit boring. This is the part where I take out the manuals, and it's pretty much your standard manuals, your little quick notes and Apple stickers. When I get to the white iPhone, I guarantee you I'll fast forward this part. Up next we have the new USB lightning connector. Right here we have our USB power adapter. And right here we have our Apple EarPods with remote and mic and storage traveling case. Empty box, and that's it for the black one. Now let's move on to the white one. Let me get my knife out again. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the plastic at the bottom. Peel this fresh plastic right off. And this one should slide out a lot easier. There's no dent. There we go. Unlike the last one. And here we have it, the white iPhone. Very nice looking. Now let's go ahead and get to our manuals. Like I said, I'm gonna fast forward this part. You already seen it with the black one. Nothing special, warranty card, quick notes, Apple stickers. USB lightning connector. USB power adapter. And Apple EarPods with remote and mic and storage traveling case. And there was too many ands there. You know what would be nice? I was thinking what if Apple made all the accessories for the white iPhone white and all the accessories for the black iPhone black, as far as the cables and mic, etc. I think that'd be pretty cool. That's just my opinion though. But back to the topic on hand. This is everyone's favorite part when you pull off the fresh film for the first time. Your iPhone's all nice looking and fresh. That is until you drop it and break the screen like everyone else does. No, I'm just kidding. I hope you don't break your phone. And now I'm gonna go ahead and power both of them up for the first time so you can look at the initial boot up. And I also wish that Apple would include like an intro video, kind of like they used to do with the old Mac operating system when there was an intro video. That'd be kind of cool. But yeah, so that's been a dual unboxing of the iPhone 5, black and white. Thanks for watching.